Brand new playgrounds about to open in some Garland neighborhoods. The new police evidence building starting to take shape. And wait until you see the progress being made at the site of the new skate park.
Hi, I'm Saul Garza with an update on some of the 2019 bond projects.
3 of our 4 playground replacement projects opening soon, and another one not far behind. The 3 include Bob Hall Park, Lou Huff Park, and Douglas Park, with Oaks Branch Park following. These are playgrounds that are more than 20 years old. At Bob Hall Park, adventure and fitness is the theme behind this new playground. It includes curiosity-provoking structures and inclusive play options to promote physical development, fitness, and mobility for children of all ages and abilities. Lou Huff Park may be classified as traditional play, but its colorful and unique elements are anything but plain. Some of those unique elements include an interactive 2-story spinning globe structure, a zip line course, and other motion elements. The Douglas Park Playground, meanwhile, was designed with an artistic theme in mind. Kids will get to explore and use their imagination inside a geometric hive. Grassy lawn areas are perfect for games and picnics. Other play features include a rope climb and handicap-accessible roller slide and swings. Nature-themed Oaks Branch Park features playground structures designed to blend seamlessly with its marsh-like greenbelt surroundings, perfect for picnics on the grassy lawns. It also includes a button loop, a climbing tunnel, traditional swings, and a roundabout once this park is complete. Rick Oden Park is in the early construction stages. The ground has been dug up and cleared, and some structures are beginning to be constructed and foundations outlined. Amenities will include a picnic pavilion, a food truck plaza, a new playground, pedestrian bridge, trails, baseball fields, to name a few. The park will be built in phases. And that first phase is the highly anticipated and long-awaited 46,000 square foot skate park, which is actually part of a previous bond program. Concrete has been poured, various features starting to go up. This will be the second largest skate park in Texas. Right now, it's expected to open in the summer of 2022. Renovations at Gale Fields Rec Center are almost complete. Upgrades include new flooring in the gym, fitness room, and corridors. The rec center is getting fresh paint, new kitchen appliances, and updated reception desk with new finishes. It's also getting a new patio with a canopy for outdoor activities. It's expected to reopen later this fall. The land has been purchased and a design team hired for the relocation of Fire Station Number 6. It's moving from Holford Road to President George Bush Turnpike and Campbell Road. The 12,000 square foot facility will include 3 apparatus bays and support areas, living quarters, a kitchen day room, a fitness room, and a mezzanine. The detailed design phase is expected to wrap up by early next year. And finally, construction is well underway at the brand new Police Property and Evidence Building just off Forest Lane near police headquarters. Walls, HVAC, electrical, and plumbing are all starting to go in. The climate control facility will help improve evidence handling, provide space to meet new storage and handling standards, and keep up with the anticipated growth of digital evidence storage requirements. Estimated completion date, spring of 2022.
And to keep up with all of the bond projects, just go to BillGarland.com.